Okay, recently we borrowed the snowblower to clean out our driveway. And we borrowed it, and just as we got it home, we got hit with a storm. It blew in, and it was useless snowblowing. So I kind of got it out of the wind, and the next day when I went to try to use it, snow had blown right in here on the pull start. I was unable to pull start. But luckily, I had electric start on this thing, or they had electric start on this thing, and we hooked it in and it started up fine. Which is good. We got her up and running, and everything seemed to be working fine, except the auger was not turning. So every time I pressed down this, I'd get nothing. The auger would not turn. Which, tried a number of tricks. There's a video below on one of the tricks that I tried to use. And then I decided that I'd take it to the roughage. So this is what I did. Okay, so my snowblower wasn't working here. The main problem was that pile of snow was piled right in here. A storm came in and blown in all the snow, so this is all packed with snow and this belt was off. Well, all I did was knock out all the snow, take out the base plate here, and then I put the belt back on there. Took a bit of work to do because it came from the front right here, and hooked it in there, and just put the belt back on. So, if your snowblower isn't working and it's not turning, you know what the problem is. It exists because there's snow that gets packed underneath this plate here, and then up, knocks off this belt right up in there, and your auger will not turn. There we go. Put the belt back on. She's gonna be running in a second here.